I know a guy who went through a divorce, and he went through a divorce because his wife went through his phone, and on his phone he had some messages that he was not supposed to have, and the woman, she decided, I'm going to interpret it in a certain way. I don't want to live with this man anymore. And you know, they tried hard and so on, and he went through this divorce, and he says, Wallahi, I love my wife so much, I'm ready to do anything for her. The wife says, it's enough, I'm done, I'm gone. He was depressed. I saw him, I told him, brother, I know what happened was bad. You are also to blame for what happened. Because when you use your phone, use it carefully. He says, yeah, I didn't put a security lock. I said, no. We're not talking of a security lock. We're talking of not doing what you're doing. You see how man thinks, my wife will catch me, so I put security lock. No. The solution is not security.